Hey everybody, hope you're having a good afternoon. I wanted to talk to you today about properly sanitizing your keypads on your safe. These are a high contact point in your business or even at your home sometimes, and it's important. As we know right now, everybody's trying to keep all their surfaces clean, so I want to show you the proper way to do this because you don't want to ruin your keypad on your safe in the process of trying to keep it clean and keep yourself safe and healthy. So this is what you shouldn't do. Spray bottle like this. Your keypad your keypad is not made to withstand that much liquid. They're not rated for that exposure to that kind of moisture. The same goes for your glass cleaner or whatever aerosol spray. Don't do that. That's bad. And then come along with a towel and try to wipe it off. In all likelihood, you're going to ruin the keypad in the process of cleaning it. That goes for these touch keypads as well as those with the raised rubber buttons. Whatever the case is, don't do it like that. Your best option for cleaning is one of these little alcohol wipes. Peel that thing open if you've got some, or you can get some. A lot of times they'll sell them for cleaning your glasses or electronics, sometimes a keyboard. Just take that alcohol wipe and wipe it all over just like that. So you've got a moist towelette and you're just cleaning off your keypad. That's going to be everything that you need, and it won't expose that keypad to any more moisture than necessary, which is what you want to avoid, because all those electronic components that are behind the keypad could possibly be compromised by exposing them to that much moisture. So if you can't get a wet wipe like that to clean off, your next best option is to get a paper towel and put a little alcohol on it. Put your rubbing alcohol on the paper towel, wring it out so it's just barely moist, and then you can wipe off your keypad like that. So that's a good way to keep your keypads safe, sanitized, as well as functional in the long run. Keep those direct sprays off of them and use a moist towelette or a moist paper towel to clean them.